Alright, hey, what's up, guys? This is bike check number 2. Well, no, this is an update for the We the People. So far, I just have the ODI grips on. I have just ordered a white Mission brake lever. I'm getting, some blue valve caps for it. And I am also getting a blue stem, an aqua blue stem. I also have the white shadow conspiracy pedals, the Ravager pedals. I put on a zip tie for the brake cable so it doesn't move as much. And yeah, that's about it for the update. Nothing much has changed. It is February 2nd, the day I'm recording this. I've ridden this bike a lot so far at the wheel mill in Pittsburgh, because that's where I live. But, yeah. I have ridden this bike outside, in the snow just to get a feel for it. Rides great. This is honestly the smoothest bike I've ever ridden. Sorry about the poor lighting. I'm trying to fix that right now. Yeah, it's not really working. But it's a great bike. I highly recommend that you purchase this bike. I may be getting a black or a white seat clamp, either a white or an aqua blue. Give me a suggestion. Yeah. So that's about it. Like, comment, rate, subscribe.